Good day, guys, being here. So yesterday we modeled a family, so this lamp. So today we are going to try another one. So, and also to save some time, I'm not going to make it parametric, just model these geometries. Okay, so let's start. So first, so because this is a pendant light, it will be a ceiling based. So let's use, I'm going to start with this generic model. Okay, so ceiling based. So first, we're going to model a course level geometry. So it will be a very simple revolve. So let's go to Revit. So first, to create a revolve, we need to set work plan first. So set work plan, pick this vertical work plan. So now go to front view. So you can see this is ceiling levels. I'm going to skip this the what's that called, the cable or the support. So I'm just going to model the light. So we're going to use revolve. Okay, first axis line. So as long as it's on, oh hell, it's not picking. Oh, let me just try to set work plan. So it looks like the work plan is not right. Front, back, correct. Axis line. Okay, so that's it. So as long as it's on, this reference plans, the middle one, so it'll be fine. And then boundary line. So I'll just roughly, I'm not sure how big it need to be. Maybe something like this. And then the middle part. And the bottom part. Okay, and then finish, close it, and then finish, and this is it. Okay, so this is the light in course. To make it only visible in course view, so you need to go to select it and edit and uncheck median and fine. Okay, so which means it will only show in course detail level. Okay, so if you want to check, just click on this preview visibility. So you can see it's gone because currently it's in median. So if I change this to course, it will appear. Okay, so change it, turn this off. Okay, the next one is we're going to model this for median view. So for median view, we're going to add this edge into it, so you can see all this edge. And also, I think we can also include the curved corner. So it also looks like this kind of edge. Okay, so let's go to Revit again. We're going to use this. So we can directly, I'm going to do it in 3D view. So create this time sweep. And also I'm going to use pick path and then pick this one, okay? And then finish and then edit profile. Now I'm going to make it easier, I'll just click on this right. So it's like an elevation. So and then I'll draw the profile. So profile this to here, just follow the previous geometry. And then also add this. So I'm going to try 30. I think maybe make it 50. Oh, here 50. Yeah, and then another 50. Okay, so I think that's it. And before we check this box, and depending on how many edge we need, I think for this one it'll be 45 degrees. So basically, you can also do this. So 360 divided by 8. Okay, so if you need 8, so that's 45. Okay, and finish. So now we have so if I hide this course geometry, so you can see this is the one. So and also I'll change this one to change to shade. So you can see, maybe I'll hide the ceiling. So I'll use VV to turn the ceiling off. Okay, so yeah, that's better. So this is the family for the median detail level. Okay, so let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. So this part is supposed to be smaller than this part, but yeah, that's okay. Okay, and okay. So next step, we're going to model this fine detail. So if here for the fine detail level. So, but before that, let's just change the visibility graphic override and turn off coarse and fine. And okay. So now, so we can model the fine detail. So for the fine detail, I'm going to hang on. Let me think. I'm going to copy this one, Control C, and paste in same place. I'm start from this and then edit sweep. So first I want to let me think what I need. Profile. We can for the fine. I think we can. Oh, actually, for the fine level, I think we can still have all this one, but just add these. So you see these frames into it. So okay, so let's do it. We still need a shell. So maybe let me think. We can edit profile. Edit this profile. So I'm going to offset 5. Should be okay. I'll try 5. Tab, and then I'll just split SL and trim TR and TR trim here, and now finish. So now we have, instead of a solid form, now this is a shell. So let's go edit, change this one, uncheck the median and check fine, and click OK. So to make it easier, I'll just change this one to preview visibility on. So now type HR. So this is for coarse, okay, it's because currently it's in coarse, and change to median, okay, and then this is fine. So fine still looks like the same, but you can see this is not a solid form, but in median it's a solid. So in this fine, I'm going to, maybe I'll just give it a glass material. Okay, so now it's transparent, and then we're going to add these frame. Okay, so let's do it. Let's start to create a frame. So because we already have this shell, we can use the geometry to help us to make it easier. Okay, so let's create. So we're going to use sweep and pick path. Okay, so let's pick path 1, 2, 3. So you can see this is the internal edge of this light, and then we can finish this, and then we edit profile. I'm going to just add some frame into it, so roughly 10 by 10 finish. So that's some frame inside. Okay, and then let's have a look again. So one there, one there. So we can you can quite easily you can either create another one, use pick path, or just simply copy. Okay, and then vertical, for the vertical one, so we can directly create sweep, pick path as well. Try to pick the internal edge, so this one. Okay, and then we can oh, hang on, it's not going all the way to the bottom, so we can drag this down. Okay, let's drag this down to here. Okay, so finish, and then we need to create a profile. For the profile, we are going to just pick some edge on this frame, and then so maybe I'll just conduct this offset OF, maybe 5 on each side, then just trim them, delete the middle one, finish. So now we have a vertical. Okay, and then we can select it. Let's go to go to the top. Let's go to the top. Okay, so select it. I'm going to use array, array. Some warning, but let's just ignore it. Okay, so first make sure you use a radial array, and then second space, or click on this, and we need to pick this point, the center point of this, the whole thing, but looks like there's no arc for us, no arc for us to pick the point. But in 2023, and also in the latest version 2022, you can use S2. So type S and the 2. You can pick. So for example, pick this point and this point, and it will allow you to pick the center point, midpoint between these 2 points. Okay, so that's the center point of this whole thing. And then we can just click anywhere and type in 45 degree, enter, and we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So type in 8 and click anywhere, and then we have all the vertical. Okay, so now we just need to clean up. So you see these lines between them, so because they are overlapping, and also here, so because they are separate geometry. So if you don't like them, so you can use join geometry. So click on this. So, and also maybe let me just H this, so it's easier for me to join geometry. So basically just click all of them, and that's it. So now you can see it's very nice and clean. Okay, so that's some structure for this part, this one, and we also need some these for this one. So okay, so it's the same. So we can also let me think. We can use we can create sweep. Pick path. Let's just pick this path, and okay, so finish, and then we can just add a profile. So I'll just do the same, 10 by 10 square, 10. Okay, so 10 by 10 square, and that's it. Okay, so that's a horizontal one, and then let's click on this, go to the side, and then copy CC, copy it down to here. Okay, and then we need these. So these are also very simple. So let's go to side view. So we just need to model this. For this, we can use extrusion, or I think, yeah, we can use either extrusion or sweep. Should be the same. So, but before that, we need to set a work plan. So let's go to top view. Where's my reference plan? Not sure. Ceiling plan. Oh, here. But yeah, VV. Not sure why it's not visible. Anyway, so we have this reference plan in ceiling plan. So we can pick. So first, let's set work plan. Pick on this, any of this. Okay. Oh, hang on. No, it won't. It's not right, because if we model it, pick this reference plan, we're going to model it here, but we need this. So if we look at here, so it should be here. So we need to. Okay, so that's fine. I'll see if we can set work plan onto this. Looks like we can't, but that's fine. We can create a reference plan. So just draw a reference plan like this, and then we can create set work plan, pick, and okay, pick this one, and I'll go to any of these views. So let's go to 3D view. Not sure where it is. We can show the reference plan. Okay, so there it is. So now we can create a let me think, what do we use? So let's try something different. Let's use extrusion. Okay, and then pick pick face. So let's pick this face, pick this face, pick this face, pick this face, and pick this face. So, and of course we need to stop it somewhere here. Yeah, let's try to pick this edge. Okay, so and then trim. So trim, and all offset 5. Make it 10, and the TR. Oh, hang on. Is that right? Oh, sorry, 10, not 19. 10. Okay, so SL split trim TR. Sorry, wrong one. Yeah. And delete this. So now we can, and also change this one to 5 and -5. So make it 10. So now we have this, right? And then again, we will need to array this one, but because previously we had already arrayed, and we're going to need the same number and the same center of this array. So we can simply edit this array, add this element, and finish, and then that's it. So, and all these can be let me just select everything. I'm not sure if it doesn't work. So maybe we need to edit group and select one of them and see if we can just change to fine. And I'll just double check, just change, not change, just pick another one and check the visibility. Okay, it's the same. So which means we only need to change the graphic. What's that? What's the name again? We only need to change the visibility graphic override for one of the group, and then it will change all of them. Oh, yeah. Change two groups are allowed only in group edit mode. Use the edit. Looks like we have some issue here, but it's okay because this family is not parametric, and basically we don't. Once it's done, we don't need this group anymore. We don't need these arrays anymore. So maybe we can just ungroup them, so it make it easier for us to adjust the graphic. Now we can just select everything here and go visibility graphic override. Uncheck this. So all these current in this current view will only be visible in fine detail view. So now we can just change this back preview. So now we have everything here. But once we let me just quickly create a project and then go back to this family, load this. Okay, so first to place this family, we need, because there's a ceiling based, so we must have a ceiling first. So let's place a ceiling and then place this one onto the ceiling. Where is it? Okay, here it is. So this is the light. Okay, so and then so currently it's median. So if I change it to coarse is very simple. Median, fine. Okay. Oh, I forgot the globe, but yeah, it's you know how to model it. So basically, you can just use revolve to create a globe shape and then maybe give it a material. And also, because it's a generic model, so you can change it to a lighting fixture. Once you change it to lighting fixture, you can add a light source. Okay, so go to front view, so you can adjust the height. You can change the type of lighting. So, and then you can adjust the height to match this light, something like that. Okay, so this is it. I will upload this family. So it's very simple, not parametric. So, but yeah, you can still have a look. And also there are another two lights, but I don't think I will model this because basically for this one, just revolve, and I don't think we should add these much details into a light fixture. Light fixture family. So yeah, try not to, because that's limit too much. Your project will become very heavy. So yeah, just do a revolve. And for this, so it's the same. So you can do revolve if you need to, create all these like edge. You can always let me quickly show you. I'll just use this one. I'll just borrow this edge to, hang on, let's go to family. So I just borrow this. I'll copy this. I'll just copy this to here, and then try to create. I'll use this one. I'll use pick path on this. So if there's no geometry, you can also do the sketch path, so the other one. Okay, but I'll just quickly finish, edit profile, something like, so let's go click on the left. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so you can just do something like this, and also make sure you finish at the center point, of the edge, the profile. Okay, so yeah, so something like this, and then trim. We need to just close it, and not finish, just go back to edit profile. So we just, depending on how many edge you need, just change the angle. So this will give you something like this. It won't allow me to move because it's we used pick path, but that's fine. If you Control X and paste in same place, so you can move it away from this. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. That's how we can do it. And also you probably don't want it to be solid, so if I offset this whole thing by 5 mil and trim it here, so it becomes something like this, and then you can just add a globe inside, and then that's the family. And also you can apply different materials to this. So for example, I'll just quickly go to material. So I'll just add some new material. So for example, this I'll just give it a blue color, maybe a little bit transparent, and this one's maybe just a dark color, and this one maybe another pink color. Okay, so a little bit transparency. So okay, and then you can use modify and paint, the paint tool. Okay, so what's it called? Paint, PT. Okay, so default one. So you just need to, click on each surface with this, and then paint 2. So maybe for here. Okay, so and the other one, just like this. Oh, yeah. Oops. Oh, no, the wrong one. Yeah, I think that should be enough. If anything like more than this, it's of course possible, but yeah, try not to make it too heavy. So that's it. That's it for today. I think so. We finished all the lighting exercise. So yeah, looks like we have something interesting next time. Anyway, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.